The third thing is to organize your business planning. So as after you've chosen your niche and you may not quite have your niche defined what very well defined yet, you might know like these are the couple areas I want to dive into and start putting some feelers out there to see if people are going to be interested in this. What you can do is you can start just getting the back end things of your business organized. All right. So things like putting together a business plan. You don't need to have this super detailed and intricate business plan like you're going out to try to get $100 million in funding. That's certainly not what you need to do here. But what you can do is start figuring out, okay, what am I going to call myself? What are the services that I'm going to offer? How much am I going to charge for them? How much do I need to make to cover my costs? How much do I need to make to start making a profit? You can start putting out all of those different details, those goals, things like that. And to help you give you a guidance or guideline of where it is that you want to go. All right. This kind of keeps you from getting that squirrel sort of mentality where you're jumping from thing to thing. But you also want to keep in mind that you need to keep the pace of new innovations at your forefront of your mind as well, because there might be a new technology that comes out that maybe is going to allow you to offer up a new service. There might be a regulation that gets put into place that's going to completely shut down one of the services that you offer or change one of the services that you offer. So you don't want this to be so super rigid, but you could use this as just a way to really just guide yourself on and to keep yourself focused. I have behind me, you can't see it here, but I have a whiteboard where I've just got, three things of these are the focus. These are the things that I am working on. If something comes up that's sort of outside of that, I might evaluate it and take a look at it and see, does it fit one of those three things? If it does, great. If it doesn't, I might say, okay, this is good, but I'm gonna table this for later because I got these other things that I'm working on right now. So you can start just thinking about what is it that your business is gonna do? What might you call yourself? And then how are you gonna make money? What are the things that you're gonna charge for? You can also start thinking about like how are you actually going to take some of your payments, things like that. We'll talk about that in a second here too.